This week, we would like to explore the causes of erectile dysfunction and namely focusing on cigarette smoking. For many decades, we begin to link cigarette smoking with one important condition, which is cancer. In fact, 2 cancers has specifically been linked to smoking, which is lung cancer and bladder cancer. However, in recent years, we identified that smoking can also be linked with erectile dysfunction. So we want to know exactly what is the link. In fact, there are 4 reasons why cigarette smoking can cause erectile dysfunction. Number 1 is that the nicotine itself is inflammatory, and that itself can cause scarring and also occlusions of the vessels, and that is known to cause erectile dysfunction. Number 2 is that smoking contains chemicals that actually eventually can cause the inflammations of the blood vessels, and that is the same inflammations and damage that causes coronary artery disease and also strokes. So all these inflammation can result in atherosclerosis, and atherosclerosis in early stages will affect the vessel that is quite small, for example the penile artery. So in many ways, scientists believe that the early problems of erectile dysfunction can be the precursor for later problems such as heart attack and stroke. The third way of cigarette smoking causes erectile dysfunction is the reduction of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is crucial in our body to cause vasodilation. When the cigarette smoking and the chemicals wipe out the nitric oxide, then the problem arises with erectile dysfunction. And the 4th reason why people who smoke will have erectile dysfunction is the activation of sympathetic system. When the sympathetic system is activated, the blood pressure goes up and it also will constrict the blood flow to the penis, and that itself is pretty bad for erection. I'm sure you're quite keen to find out what other things that can induce erectile dysfunction. So do you think excessive alcohol will induce erection or decrease erection? Then stay tuned and find out in next week's Putting Dr. G on the Spot.